Hello, my name is Isai Herrera Gonzalez, and today I'm going to present a conversation in a restaurant. What would you like to eat? May I take your order? Oh yes, I would like a hamburger and let's order of French fries, please. Alright, and would you like a salad? Oh yes, I will have a mixed green salad. Okay, and what kind would you like? We had vinaigrette, Italian, and French. Italian, please. And will you like anything to drink? Yes, I would like a soda, please. Conversation 2. Good evening. A table, please. Very good. Would you like a drink while you look at the menu? Yes, I will have a coffee, please. Can I take your order? Yes, for a starter, I will have chicken, cream, and main course steak and cheese. Okay, and would you like dessert? No, I won't like dessert. Thanks. Thanks.